Happening in Albany, some New York State lawmakers are trying to pass legislation to eliminate court fees. Today, WENY's New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein breaks down the bill and talks with a family member affected by the issue.
Today, lawmakers and advocates rallied in Albany for legislation nicknamed the End Predatory Court Fees Act. The legislation intends to eliminate court charges and fees. Some lawmakers say it will help put an end to a systematic issue of criminalizing poverty.
It is unbelievable that we continue to burden low-income New Yorkers with the mandatory surcharge. With these fines and fees, they are effectively a regressive tax.
For some advocates who travel to the Capitol to rally for this legislation, this issue is personal. Peggy Herrera lost her 24-year-old son, Justin, to gun violence in 2022. She says she wanted to move her family to a safer neighborhood for a long time, but burdensome court fees for both her and her son kept her from doing so.
So it just put us in a lot of debt, and I've been wanting to move out of Jamaica, Queens for so long, and it was very hard.
Herrera says her son was routinely criminalized for his mental health issues, recalling a 911 call she made in 2019 in an effort to help her son experiencing a mental breakdown at the time. She says when she tried to advocate to keep her son in their home, she was arrested. The charges later dropped. She says this event, coupled with youth offender court fees for her son and traffic court fees, put her family into more than $12,000 of debt that took her 4 years to pay off. She says if this legislation is passed, it will honor her son.
It'll be a celebration for me to finally get this passed, but for the millions of kids and the thousands of kids I work with and families that I work with that are facing the same thing. They're choosing between court fees or bills.
While this legislation did not pass in previous years, lawmakers are hoping this year it will cross the finish line. In Albany, Elise Klein, WENY News.